I'm going to do one last thing. I do want to insert a chair. And maybe this one right here. Now it's facing in the opposite direction, no problem. I'll just go ahead and I'll flip that chair by clicking on this icon right here. There. I'll resize it and then I can take off that white. To take off this white, I'm going to go into my properties window over here. Now I've got to scroll down so I can see all of the controls. And here's another eyedropper. I'm going to click on this eyedropper and I'm going to touch the white. This is our TKO Total Knockout tool, and if I touch the white with my mouse, there, it's removed that white background. And we have tutorials on our website that go into detail on our Total Knockout tool. I'm just going to remove a little bit more of that white that you can see around the edge by moving my slider bar to the right. Alright, that's pretty good. So there you can use our drawing tools to mask over objects on your photo. They really do come in handy. And make sure to check our website for the detailed tutorials on all our other commands, such as the Total Knockout tool.